here we go. We've got a 2015 Vauxhall Mokka, and I'm going to show you how quickly you can do the front brake pads, even at home. And I'm not even going to use any power tools. Ready? Go. So, 2 10mm. 1, 2. There we go. So, very easy job you can do at home. All you need is a 10mm spanner, socket, ratchet, whatever. Caliper off. You need a wind back tool. You can buy one of these from anywhere. eBay, they're about 10 quid. Stick it in. Or you can use some Stilsons or anything you've got at home that's going to push back the piston in it. I don't like to rush pushing this back in. I like to just take my time. This is going to be the longest part of the job. Pushing this piston back. This is only done, I think it's done 38,000 miles. So this is the first set of pads it's going to have. Push this back in here. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Almost there. Right, done. Like that. Off you come. Put that there so we don't put any pressure on the hose. And then we're going to pop the pads out. Why you buy good quality discs or pads, sorry. Pads ones here, you get new shims for it, so you haven't got to mess about trying to clean up these ones. Take that off. Take that off. Give up the surface area of these a quick rub. And on the tops. It's alright. Right, new shim. 1. One there. 1, 2. There we go. Find out which one had the wear line on it. This one's got the wear line on it. This is the one that has the piston Holt ringer on it. So this one goes in the back here. 1, 2. Front pad in here. 1, 2. Caliper back on. Check that these are free. They are. And you get your 10mm bolts again. 1, 2. Wind them in, wind them in. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, double check. Yep. Yep. There you go, done. Front brake pads done. As simple as that. So if you've got a few tools at home, this is definitely a job you can take on. If you thought this video was good, like and subscribe and I'll do some more. If not, then don't come back. See you later.